There's no way he's dying, because the future guy said it was gonna be gruesome. Of course he would be thinking about Himeno. Oh, this is when she first got him to do it. Her face. She's like, he's actually gonna do it. Her hair is longer here than it was when she died. You're ready to develop an addiction. I'll give it back. Wow. Wait, what just happened? She let him go? Oh, did it let him go because it used to belong to... Well, not belong to, but it had a contract with him in it? What is that? Very... I'm so impatient. I'm like, what is going on? Oh, wow. She gave it to the ghost. Is it because he was thinking about that it did that? Easy revenge. Is he gonna make a contract with the Ghost Devil too? How many contracts can you make? Oh, he uses fear to see. Oh, is he gonna kill it? How many times can they die before they're just reborn again? Because didn't the snake bite off his head too? I know it's just Aki and he can't transform or anything, but that'd be terrifying. The way that he looked at her. Don't kill her. Oh, who's behind her? Who is that? Oh, wow. When did you get in here? She's low-key really good. It's just like the fear and the anxiety she has to get over. Oh, because of Himeno? Oh, bonus. Oh, yeah. I thought it was gonna be something like, oh, because she cared about Himeno. Power? What? Oh, I was like, what is she holding? But there's just an arm holding onto her. Yeah, that's disgusting. Power. Yeah. Power. No. Yeah, I was gonna say, yes it does. Guys, can we not fight each other right now? She said meat is meat. Absolutely not. It's like rotten meat too. Of course. Have at the... I entrust my back to you. He's just gonna leave? Oh, that one's big. Denji's not even there. I like her little short blades. Those are really cool. That should be like her signature weapon. He really just left her up there. I mean, he knows she'll be fun, but what if the sword devil is up there? Sideburns, man. Was he just checking every floor, or how did he end up on the 13th floor? Oh, this is obviously a play. Wait, he didn't know that he was a zombie? Why would he? So it's the Katana devil. I've been saying sword devil. But when did his heart get replaced though? Did it say it and I just didn't read it? I don't know. That happens sometimes. Is that how he transforms? He pulls his hand off? Because I was like, katanas don't have like a ripcord on them. I hope this is gonna be a good fight. And this time he doesn't have the snake chick there to bring him back if he dies. Oof. No, not the train. I hope the train doesn't get destroyed, but it might. Yeah, he's been doing that training.
Oh,
okay. I thought he was gonna say from Makima. Oh, his chains are oh, he can make a move and stop. I ain't dead yet. Okay, there goes the animation. Dude, this is cool. I hope he has like some new skill or something. Like that little vanishing thing that the other guy was doing. Like I wonder if he learned how to do that. Yeah, there goes. Here we go. The response time for the conductors is really good. Oh, please don't hurt that lady. Oh, at least he protected her. That's good. Can we ban that move? That's funny. Well, we know he can just reattach him. Oh, your granddad was trash. What's he about to do? Oh, is he gonna take him out with his head? He used his leg, didn't he? He kicked him. Was I right? I know he got him. I'm just trying to figure out how he got him. He had to have used his leg. I saw him kick. Oh, he split him in half, dude. Wow. Yeah, I knew it. I knew he had one in his foot. Okay, yeah, that scene in the last episode with him in power training, I was like, there has to be a reason his pants are messed up. I'm glad I caught that. That's cool. Oh, they put him back together. What is that, like barbed wire? What is that? It's not barbed wire. That's something with spikes on it. Yeah. That's one less hot lady in the world. Do they have a special jail for like fiends and stuff? I mean, he's not a fiend though. He's stronger than that. Who's walking? Who's that? Oh, okay. I was like, who's walking up to them? What is this contest? Oh wow. Do you even have a gun? Oh, wow. Is this a callback to when they first met? Denji's ruthless. Is he actually gonna do it though? Aki's not gonna do it. Oh, okay.
こいつを捕まえることだ。いたぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。そんなことしたって姫野先輩は喜ばない。
I feel like Himeno would do it actually. Is he gonna keep that forever now? Like in his shirt pocket? Oh, is he gonna do it?
勝ったら何くれんだ?
What do I get if I win?
そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
These two are like best friends now. That's so cool. Did he say they're gonna keep his family jewels? I don't think I'd want that prize. It's cool. Special Division needed a win. That's awesome. Why were their hands covered up? What was that? What was the metal clank?
姫野先輩、天国まで聞こえるか?
Are they metal or something? Because there's powers? Oh wow, that's funny. That's not how I thought they were gonna end it, but it's cool.
元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
Did they tell you why they wanted the heart?
それが聞き出す前に。
Oh wow, they silenced her.
の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
Oh wow.
ついにか。どこに向かって動いた?
Is it America? Oh, they didn't say. Oh, these are credits? Okay, yeah. Her and the cat. Is this just like a day in their life now that they all live together? Oh, he smiled at her. That's cute. I'm really happy for Denji, like how his life turned out. It's really cool. Yes, the giant thing of apple juice. Oh, so that was their day. Okay. I thought so. I was like, these credits look like they're actually happening, you know? Oh, he keeps it in there with the rest of them. I wonder if like the Ghost Devil hadn't been made to attack Aki, if that ever would have made it to him, you know? Oh, don't smoke that one. You gotta keep it. Oh, or not, I guess. Wow. Just the black screen and the ambient sound. Oh, is that it? Oh wait, that's not it. This is how the show started, is it? Yeah. What is this? So is this in his dream, I'm assuming? Oh, this is when... Oh, is it like a memory from when he was a kid?
いつも見て、いつも忘れる夢。
デンジ。
落ちた。落ちた。出てこいよ。
絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Wait, what? What? Okay. So what's up with that door, then? Where are we?
Denji君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい?
Alright, so that's it for the final episode of Chainsawman. A really cool series. I really enjoyed this. It was really funny. Power was great. Denji was great. There's There's just a lot of jokes in it, but yeah, the end of this episode left a lot of questions. We still don't know why they wanted the Chainsaw's heart. We don't know what else. Whoever that lady was at the very end, she said, "Denji, would you rather be the country mouse or the city mouse?" I think that's what that said. So we don't know who that is because I didn't recognize the hair. I was thinking it was Makima at first, but it didn't. It kind of sounded like her, but then it showed somebody's, like the top of someone's head. So I don't know who that is. But yeah. So really awesome season. It sucks that Himeno, like if Himeno wouldn't have died, like if everything would have played out the same except for her dying, like this season would have been awesome. But yeah. And it was interesting too. We only knew her for like what, 2 episodes? Two? Yeah, just about two. We only had like 2 full episodes of her, and then she died in like the 3rd episode. So a really awesome job for them for making us like care, like making the audience care about her and everything. And then it was just sucks that Aki had to lose his friend. Cool getting to see. I'm glad that I called out his chainsaw, like him being able to do it on his leg. I'm really happy about that because that was pretty cool. That was a cool moment. So I guess over time his powers are going to keep developing. But yeah, it looks like public safety has enough pieces of the gun that will start tracking it now. But I still think Denji needs more training though. So I don't think they're going to go after it right away because I'm pretty sure Denji needs a bit more training before he can, take it on. Because it looks like Makima wants him to do it. I'm not sure why. I feel like she knows why they're after the Chainsaw Devil, but she's not telling anybody. There's so many questions around Miss Makima that we need answers to. So even in the beginning, like when she first met him, she was like, what'd she say? Because Denji was like almost like a pet or something like that, like the way that she was talking to him. I was like, I don't really like that. But then I started to trust. Oh, I started to trust her just because Denji had a whole bunch of trust in her. But yeah, after these last couple episodes, we definitely can't. She may have good intentions, but we can't trust her. So that's interesting. Power really didn't. Other than getting better at fighting, nothing really happened with Power. she's kind of been the same the whole time. Kobeni, yeah, Kobeni. I don't know. I feel like at some point, like a switch is just gonna flip, and she'll. I mean, I know it's not gonna happen. I'm sure they're gonna keep like her demeanor and her anxiety and stuff the same, but it'd be real like if she was good at like hiding her fear and not being like all stressed out all the time, like she'd probably be better than Aki. I'm pretty sure at devil hunting and stuff. Because even like in that room, like when did she get there? Like she was just behind her. And Aki was just like, "Don't kill her." Like that would have been it for her. She would have been dead if Aki didn't stop Kobeni. So, but yeah, really awesome series. Really cool show. I really liked it. Can't wait for. I'm pretty sure they're doing a movie. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, so they did announce a movie. They announced it December of 2023, and it's about the Reze Arc. I don't know, but yeah. So it just got announced. There's not a lot of details out about it. So I'm assuming the movie is going to come out and then season 2 is going to come out after that. But I don't know. So looks like we have a while to wait. But other than that, really cool. Really enjoyed season 1. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.